What we've done is disassemble this table saw stand because holding this at about eye height, the drill press is just too high and it's hard to reach all the way up here. We're going to make the drill press about 12 inches lower. Measuring about 15.5 by 19.25. Measured out 19.25 by 15.5, and we're going to cut 2, and then we'll just double it up. We had an old can of liquid nails, so we tried to put some of that in between, but we'll add some screws to it now. Working to take the feet off now. And we'll also try and source some casters for this. And those will allow us to roll the stand around with the drill press on it. We're going to drill a 3/8 inch hole. We'll mark with the pencil underneath. We're going to put some cross braces going long ways and then just use some of this scrap lumber and cut it widthwise so it'll go multiple verticals. It's raining really hard outside, so we've come inside. It has a bottom shelf, which is pretty good if we want to ballast it. And already it's like 60 or 70 pounds, I have to assume. But this should be pretty sturdy, and we're going to try and drill the holes for the drill press now. The holes are 6 inches apart, so I'll put each hole 3 inches from the midline. I can't really get the best angle just because there's not much room, but here's how it looks on the stand. I started with a 1/2 inch hole, then followed it with a 9/16 paddle bit, just so it's large enough to easily slip a 1/2 inch bolt through. And it seems like we don't have to get replacement bolts because these are the perfect length. I'd say it's, for the most part, stable. The casters have arrived and they're very heavy duty and big, so I'm going to install them right now. I put in an additional 1/2 inch nut here to kind of just help level this frame. These are total lock casters, so these can't swivel when it's locked. These I'll have to tighten down so they'll hold straight. This included wrench is trash, so make sure you use your own wrench. This moves extremely easily now. One hand push. It's already so much easier. I'll have to tweak the casters a little bit. This drill press stand is finished, and I'd say it turned out extremely well.
I have a Discord server, link is in the description, please subscribe.